Hi everyone, I'm Shubham. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of user segmentation. What is a segment? It's a tool that allows you to predict which users are more likely to convert or churn using automated machine learning. This gives you a clear overview of your audience, helping you to understand their behavior and tailor your campaigns more effectively. Let's begin from the main dashboard. Navigate to Audience on the left-hand sidebar. This will take you to the audience overview page and have all the user list. To create a segment, click on the Segment tab at the top of the page. You'll see a list of your existing segments. To create a new one, click the Create New Plus button in the top right corner. This will bring you to the Create a New Segment page. You can define your target audience here. First, give your segment a name and a description. Next, we'll add a rule to define our audience. Click on Add Rule. From the Property Type drop-down, select User Property and then select the appropriate property name. Once you're satisfied with your rules, click Create Now. A confirmation message will appear saying, Segment created successfully. You can click View Details to see your new segment. To edit a segment, simply go back to the Segments page and click on the Edit Segment button in the top right corner. You can then add more rules or modify existing ones and click Update Now to save your changes. That's a wrap on creating and editing segments in PLGOS. We hope this was a useful overview. We are always looking to improve our platform, so we'd love to get your feedback on this feature.